Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unzip files on Android. First of all, go for your files because some devices has this feature by default. So if you have this, just go for a download option. Then choose your zip file. Then you can see here is an option here, extract all. Tap on it and tap on extract to download. And now you have to just tap on this check option here. And now your zip file is now unzipped. You can see this is the picture which is in my zipped file, and this is the zipped file which I have. So this is the basically this is the copy of this zipped file. So yeah, another way you can unzip this file, just go for Google Chrome and search here unzip free. Then you can install any application from here to unzip the files, but you can just unzip files from the online for free. So go for this easy zip this website. Go for unzip files online, then choose your file from your, and you can see this is unzipped already within seconds. Then go for just save. Tap on save. Okay, now it's downloading and you can see it's downloaded now. If I go for back to my files and downloads, and you can see there is another image of this zip file here. This is first one and this is the second one. Go for it and it's, yeah. So this is how you can unzip files on Android. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.